All right. Hey everybody, thanks very much for coming out to the IT Expo, and thanks for coming out to Miami. It's nice to be down here. I'm a native of Florida, so it's good to be down in the warm weather. We've had some pretty nasty weather up in Virginia. So anyway, today I'm going to talk about a wholesale partner program for all you guys who are selling PBXs and your service providers and equipment providers all over the place. So what do we call this thing? Wholesale SIP Cloud Services for Reseller Partners. My name is Bill Alessi. I head up our sales and channel development teams here at Etherspeak, Virginia. Let's take a look at what we have. So a little bit about Etherspeak. We've been around for about 10 years. We're headquartered up in Virginia, about an hour, I guess, west of Washington, D.C. We're a wholesale IP communications services company. We deal with many platforms. Of course, we're here to talk about Microsoft Lync, which we've been doing a beautiful job with them. We deal with other services like ShoreTel and Zoltis and the Asterisk platforms and Cisco and so on. So really the biggest facet of our business is SIP trunking. But we do some other things. We provide faxing along with our services, whether it be your traditional eFax or fax to email. We can hook faxes up with your fax server or your CRM server, your file print server. We also do something with your traditional good old plain old fax machine. So if somebody has a good old fax machine, we can hook a little box up to it and do the same faxing you've already done. Also, we have a hosted UC offering. So it's a hosted VoIP platform whereby any type of device, you bring your own device, whether it's a Link phone or any type of SIP phone or even an iPhone or an Android type of phone, we can get you hooked up easily on our hosted UC platform. Also, we do a hosted conference bridge, and we have a managed connectivity platform. So if you want to bring your own bandwidth, that's great. But also, if you need bandwidth, we can provide Metro Ethernet, T1s. We can also get you hooked up into our MPLS network. Now, we've been working with partners all around the United States and Canada, all around North America for quite a while, and we've really been doing just a regular agent program, so it's a referral fee type of basis, or it's kind of a residual type of income basis. Recently, we've started to work on our wholesale partner program, so that's what I'm here to talk about today. And I guess in terms of getting into this, one of the biggest challenges to getting into this type of business is really the startup things. There's investment in time, there's investment in resources, there's investment in money, so you've got to get your billing platform, you need to get your equipment set up, and all those resources together. So what we've done is we have everything all put together, so we've decided to work with our partners and prospective partners so they can really become a wholesaler, if you want to call it a white label branded partner. So what we do is we do all the back end work, and you put everything on your name, and you can kind of set your own prices, and we go from there. So as we talked about the initial investment, and as I said, we've built really a truly turnkey white label product offering, which I'll talk about. So some of the resources we provide in terms of this wholesale program. Tier 1 technical support, everything we do in terms of our technical support, our billing support, our provisioning support, it's all done in-house. So if you need help with billing, if you need help with ordering new numbers or porting, everybody knows how much fun porting numbers is. We do all that stuff right in-house. And also channel sales support. So you have me as a good resource, and then some of our reps that work under me also. And our marketing and web resources. So we do have a marketing department, so we can help you get co-branded with your website and your collateral and so on and so on. And of course, you'll get a dedicated wholesale channel manager to work with you for anything from getting you set up with your training, helping you to work on your pricing, your contracts, anything you're doing to interface with your customers, and also anything technical. So our wholesale value proposition, it looks it's like fourfold on here. Increase your bar sales, innovative and easy to deliver services, customer savings, and industry expertise. So we'll talk a little bit about that. So what do we say? Getting into the cloud, the SIP service has never been easier. What do we do? So some of the features, everything we do is going to be created and built right into your name. So if you're XYZ PBX company, you can make yourself XYZ PBX and telecom services company. So really, we're going to do all of the back end work, and you put your name on it. So all your billing, your payments, your taxes, your tariffs, we're going to take care of all of that. So really what we're going to do is we're going to give you, or I guess kind of rent you, an instance of our billing system. So our billing system, you're going to get it into your computers and your network, and you go in and you can kind of set up your pricing, but we'll have everything in terms of, as I said, all of your taxes, your tariffs, everything's going to be pre-configured for you. So basically, you would do exactly what we're doing, but now for your customers. So you generate all your invoices. The customers will pay you directly, and really the only thing you have to worry about is getting people installed. So we'll do that. We'll do that for you. In terms of the support, we get the configurations done, and what we will also do for a wholesale partner is we'll give you your own toll-free number. So if a customer calls, they're not going to call you, they're going to call us, and we're going to answer the phone under your name. So everything is transparent. We're just kind of the back end guys. Your customer really won't know who we are. They're going to think that we're you. So really, as I said, we're providing a turnkey solution. And you set your service pricing, you set your service level agreements, and really what we do is we just deliver the service. So, and of course, I guess you as a partner, really what you want to do is you want to increase your sales and bring in more revenue. So that's really the objective of this whole program. So you can expand your offering. You've been doing a great job selling hardware, selling your own IP PBXs. Now what you can do is you can really offer a turnkey solution to your customer base. So not only are you providing the hardware, the installation service and everything, but now you're going to be the entire telecom solutions providers. So one thing that we've found in terms of our partners, they've been able to sell their PBXs a lot easier when they couple in our SIP trucks, because they're saying, well, geez, we have to spend X amount of dollars. How are we going to justify that cost? Well, we're able to save them quite a bit of money by coupling in our SIP trunks and our services into it. So that justifies getting together a good lease, so they suddenly the customer can afford that whole system. So now you as the provider, you're going to be able to do all of that. So instead of coming to one of us as a service provider and saying, hey, can we get a quote for the SIP trunks? Can we get a quote for faxing? You're going to do it all by yourself. So you're going to put together the entire proposal. You put your margin into it, and then bang, you send it to the customer, and you got it all taken care of. So let's see, what else do we have here? A wide range of value-added services to help you sell to your customers, as we mentioned, SIP trunking, the hosted UC, faxing, managed connectivity, conference bridge, toll-free bridge, all that stuff. That's something now that you can provide to your customers along with what you're already doing. And really, you're not buying anything from us. You're really just kind of renting our billing system. And let's look. What's next? So, what does it do for your customer? Of course, SIP trunking can save your customers money. If you know, versus your traditional analog lines, your traditional PRIs. Going SIP, basically you're taking a customer and they already have a network built in, so you're just adding the SIP trucks onto it. So it usually saves them a very good, significant amount of money. And now you can just take those services and sell them right under your brand, as opposed to putting our name on it. And really, there's not a lot of investment other than the time for your sales and tech people. We'll come out to your office, or we'll invite you out to our offices to take care of the sales training and the technical training. We'll get you all set up and make sure everything's good to go, and then we'll let you, get out and running. So partnering with Etherspeak, let's see, innovation and value. As we mentioned, we've been in the SIP and the UC business for almost 10 years now, just about 9.5 years. So this is our business. This is what we do every day. We don't sell the PBXs, but we sell the SIP trunking. That's our business. So we're bringing that to you to offer to your customers. And really, the only way we're going to be successful is if you're successful. So what we want to do is we want to create a win-win relationship for So basically, if you're partnering with Etherspeak, you're securing the best interests of your customer, and also what you're doing is you're going to be able to create an entire new revenue stream. So not only are you going to be able to sell your PBXs and your equipment and the service along with it, now you can generate a monthly revenue income to add to that. So anyway, your clients, how do they benefit from all this? Well, of course, SIP drives lower operational costs for your customer. So your monthly costs are going to go down, and also, hopefully there isn't going to be as much of a cost for equipment and so on and so on. And also, it's your prices, your services in your territory. And as I said, we're really just the back end guys. We're taking care of the rest of it. We provide easy native interoperability. So basically what that means is you don't have to buy a gateway. We do it native, and we do have fast and easy turn-ups. Once we get a client signed up, we ask them to go to our website, and they do a sign-up form. They provide their technical contact information. Also on the link side, what they do is we need the mediation server IP. Once we get that, we build it from us to them. We shoot them an email, and we say, hey, when you're ready, let us know. And once we get that, we're looking at about a half an hour for turn-up time, and they're done. So basically what this really is, it's just a good overall solution for both you and your clients. And that's it for now. Any questions? Anyone? Bueller? Thanks very much.